Are you shaving?
Yeah.
Yes, it's a pre-show thing you kind of have to do.
What do you have?
His name is Walter, and he has a bow tie, and he's ready for every performance. Urban Decay eyeshadow primer.
Oh, yes.
Ardell 811 faux paint. Cool.
And these are other wonderful, naked people.
No, it's fine. It's just shorts.
Hi, I'm Gwyneth. I am a hairdresser, makeup artist, and actress. I'm on my way to the theater because I am playing Muzzy in Thoroughly Modern Millie. My last video, I showed you how I'm doing my makeup for this production, or you might have seen one of my other theatrical makeup videos, which are also awesome, and if you haven't seen them, you should check them out, including an old age makeup video, which is becoming very popular, I must say. Wow. Today, I wanted to do something a little different. I'm going to take this camera with me backstage to introduce you to members of the cast and ask them what some of their favorite theatrical makeup and hair products are, or any techniques that they have that they would like to show you. Sure, you could learn everything from me, or you could learn from a lot of people. So let's go.
This is Jessica, she's our lead.
So I guess the only special thing I use, both for shows and real life, is the CoverGirl 24-hour Outlast all-day lipstick.
So you like that better than the Maybelline 24?
Yes, I do. This is my favorite 24-hour. It stays and doesn't move. This one is classic red. Can't put more than one layer on or it starts peeling, so you have to be careful. And once you put it on, it stays, so.
I use this Benefit Bowing Concealer on my face for shows, and it does the job perfectly.
Let's see the color.
And there's different tones, so this is the number 2 tone. There is a lighter one and an even darker one from this.
And I've seen you put that under your eyes, it's amazing.
It's amazing.
It's like, well, bam.
Yes.
So my lashes are from Sally's Beauty Supply Store. They're called Ardell's Double Up. They're really pretty, 251s, yes.
I put 2 lashes on each eye because they were too small.
Which brand do you use?
I have no idea. I had a lot of random lashes before, but then I just kept on layering them to make them bigger.
This is Karen, she's playing Mrs. Mears. So
I'm playing a racist.
But that's not racist because I'm Asian.
So
and
she
I don't
thinks
find
it's okay, then she thinks it's okay.
All right, this represents all the Asian community. If she says it's okay, then it's okay.
Do you want to talk about your process at all?
I have to do my makeup at home, standing in the shower with a magnifying mirror in the ledge of the window with natural light because I can't see in here because I'm farsighted. Yeah. So, yeah, I come in full makeup. It is kind of a drag look, and I did study drag makeup to get this to beat this mug.
So, one of my favorite theater hacks, get a small travel spray bottle. And the reason is because you don't always have access to a sink in your dressing room like this one, right? We don't have one in here. We have to go out into the other building to get to the sink. To be able to do my hair or anything else, I can just literally spray it. I can spray my sponge for my, foundation, whatever else. It's great. Spray bottle.
Are you shaving?
Yeah.
Is this
Yes,
something
it's a pre-show thing you kind of have to do.
What do you have to shave?
He gets 5 o'clock shadow like at noon.
So is this something you can't live without? Your razor? Do you keep this in your kit?
No, but if I don't shave in the morning, I definitely want to shave before the show, because otherwise I'll get like stubble that will poke through my makeup and look really ridiculous. It kind of depends on the show, but for something like this where I'm supposed to be clean shaven the whole time, I definitely don't want that.
I like to use this Urban Decay eyeshadow primer.
Oh yes, that's a classic.
I like it very much. It really keeps on the eyeshadow for hours and hours, even with profusely sweating, it still stays on.
Yeah.
Once it's on, it's like there, and it's hard to blend. That's true. Yeah, but it's. I do like that at the end of the show, everything is still there and it's not creased or anything. Like it's
Hello, Gwyneth. Other Gwyneth. Would you
Hey, Gwyneth, what's up?
Would you like to discuss makeup?
I am not a professional, but my essentials are chapstick, always a beauty blender, some mascara.
Why do you like that mascara?
You know what? It really spreads out your lashes well.
It's
called Milk.
Ooh,
Kush mascara.
I'm not aware of this.
Yeah, honestly, I really enjoy it. It makes my eyelashes look really long. It's not on right now, so don't look. I just think their brand looks really aesthetically pleasing, so I walked up to the little booth in Sephora, and some lady recommended it and said it was really popular, so.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is Mike.
Hi. Okay, so I play 2 different distinct characters in this show, and one is Phoebe. And when I do my quick change for Phoebe in here, My favorite, Le Kik from L'Oreal, whatever that is.
Why do you like it so much?
Because it's easy to do this and then you apply it on and then you run out. Because I literally have about 30-45 seconds.
So would you call this quick and easy drag?
Totally. It's very slapdash.
Slapdash.
And this looks really gross, but the eyelashes that I like to use is Christina number 199. So they definitely make my eyes pop. For blush, I go in with Urban Decay's Quickie, and it is this shade.
Whoa, that's bright.
Yeah, no. But once it's applied, it's not that bright. So.
And you have pretty olive skin, so it makes sense that you'd need to go with something pretty bright.
Yeep, yeep.
Thank you,
And that's
Mike.
it.
My favorite product is this Master Contour Set by Maybelline.
Maybelline.
That's right. Maybe she's born with them. So it's really good for a lot of different skin tones. It has a light to medium or a medium to dark, and so I have the light to medium, obviously, because I have a fair complexion. So the blush is really nice, as Gwen knows. She likes to use the blush because it's a very nice...
Yes, I do borrow the blush regularly.
Yes. So that is one of my favorite products. Also, what I really like is this Brow Envy kit that I got. It has a bunch of different...
wax stuff in it
Yeah,
too?
it does. A little setting wax. And then it also came with little stencils, which I don't have. But so if you wanted to, like, what's the word? Groom your brows to, like, a certain kind of arch. So yeah, it's pretty cool.
Nice.
Yeah, so this is my recommendation for, like, a nice drugstore brand that's on the cheaper side, but still really useful. And this is a little more expensive just because it's a better brand, better brand, but good price too. So I think I got it on sale.
I'll make my...
There's my liquid MAC foundation that's going on my face right now.
What color is it?
N5.
N5. And then you apply with a beauty blender.
Right now I use either a little sponge from the drugstore or the beauty blender, and I ran out of sponges. So today I'm using the beauty blender.
Is this your kit here?
This is my kit.
This is nice.
Yeah, that is really
Got so it's like the hair white for when I need to go gray. I have like more ridiculous like super light contour for when I did Sweeney Todd and they wanted very pale, not contour obviously, highlight, sorry. Yeah, so just whenever I have to buy something new, it just gets thrown in there, and I eventually should sort it all out, but for now I can carry it all with me when I need to.
Is there a reason you particularly like the MAC foundation?
I like the liquid. I feel like the liquid goes on fairly easily and smoothly, and then it sets pretty well, so...
When you sweat, it's not a problem?
No, I usually set it with powder, and I don't sweat a ton. I suppose if people do sweat a ton, they might want to avoid it, but I'm not a huge sweater, thankfully.
This is the MAC Stick.
Yes.
Cool. And I give a nice big bottle.
Yes, it's lasted me a very long time.
I just wanted to give a shout out for, can you see the name and everything? This lipstick I've worn in a bunch of different shows. Somebody was just talking about how their lipstick came off on their costume. This lipstick is really cool. I should have shown you, but you put it on with this side and it dries, almost like a lip stain, and then you put some gloss over it, but it doesn't come off. It's a really great thing for costumes and for theater. So that's my shout out.
And kissing on stage.
And kissing on stage, which, yes, I've done that.
Oh, cute.
I know, right? It opens up all the way. There's a lower level, there's a little top level with a little mirror.
What brand did you say this was?
Caboodle. And this is just like, I think 1/8 of my makeup collection. So it fits whatever I have for shows. So my case is from Amazon. I searched makeup case and poured over all the different options, and this was cute and not too expensive. And I like it because these dividers move, so you can customize it to partition your stuff as you like. And the lipstick I got off of the recommendation from a friend. It is a universal red, and it goes on very dramatically, but I like it. I've never really been comfortable with reds, but this one makes me feel pretty fun. It's from Fenty, and I think it's called Uncensored. It's the Stunna Lip Paint.
And you have the Ben Nye kit.
Oh, jeez. Yes. Yeah. Nothing super exciting about the Ben Nye kit.
For you.
Yeah.
Use Ben Nye.
You're like, oh shit,
We got a few of the kits, I can see.
Over time,
Oh my, you got several.
Yeah.
Is there a reason you like Ben Nye?
It tends to hold up better under the lights. It doesn't melt as easily. It's very hard on your skin. It works really well for me.
Thank you. But when you say hard on your skin, do you just mean break out, or do you mean like it irritates it?
It'll be like breakout, yeah. Yeah, it doesn't irritate it at all.
Not bad for a 3-hour and 45-minute callback.
Oh, and your hairspray. I know you use Kenra.
Yeah. Kenra 30.
Is that your favorite?
Yeah, I would say so. It's super strong.
And it has a nice fruity smell.
Yeah, it's a little pricey, but as a guy that kind of only uses it for theater, it's a worthwhile investment. It'll last me a while. I use that in combination with like a heavy pomade. Yeah. Wipes, I like the Neutrogena, the blue one. Don't ever buy the CVS brand, it's not the same. Pay the extra like $1, it's worth it. Like they're gentle, they're good on your face, they don't smell too bad. But they also are very good at removing stuff too, so.
Yeah. My essential is literally my tackle box, because I'm like prepared for all situations. Altoid case of bobby pins, like I have wet ones in here, safety pins, cotton balls, like when people go panicking, they come to this magical thing.
Which is true. She gave me a couple safety pins.
She gave me scissors.
And most people the first day we were in here thought this was like the tackle box, and I was like, no. And then I have a little my little charm comes with me. His name is Walter, and he has a bow tie, and he's ready for every performance. So he sits in my tackle box with me.
When did you get Walter?
My very first show, Addams Family, a year ago. So, yeah. New discovery, lip sense, because it literally doesn't come off on anything. Like, it looks glossy, literally does not come off, and that has saved my life, because I eat my lipstick off, because then I concentrate. I do that. So this is game changer. Game
so that's
changer.
an alcohol-based lipstick.
Yes.
Now, do you find you just need one coat, or do you need to do multiple coats? Because I've heard
you need to do 3, because it's not so much the color base; it's more of setting it on your lips. So it's less about like having the vibrant color and more about making sure that it's on.
You don't feel like it peels off if you do too long?
Not at all. Not at all. It doesn't peel at all.
And then do you do a clear on top after?
It's just a gloss, and that's like this. It's like a setting spray, but for your lips. And like she can tell you, I was in the pool and my lips never came off. I was in the pool for
nothing
hours.
Came off. Your eyes
nothing came off.
She goes to bed looking like this.
My lip sense is Fly Girl. Yeah, and it's like their version of like the Audrey Hepburn red.
So this is Melissa's kit. She has one of those cool roll-up travel thingies.
Also, I only buy cheap ass stuff, or it's given to me as a gift.
So is there any cheap ass brand that you really recommend?
I like CoverGirl's powder.
Okay.
For setting. On my eyeliners are like CoverGirl or Maybelline.
Okay.
I buy a lot of Maybelline mascara, and I am a cheater and I don't wear any falsies, so I just do it with mascara.
That's right. And I've seen you spend your time on your lashes.
Yeah, they look good, but I also was blessed with long lashes, so, you know, take that for what it's worth.
Now, you told me you have a really great emergency kit.
I do. It is not in this. It's in my bag.
What are some of the things you keep in your
Okay, so I usually keep things like floss and toothpaste and toothbrush, mouthwash, mic tape, bobby pins. I usually keep an extra wig cap. I have a hairnet. I have extra, like, see these little clips. I have some of those of my own. Lotion, like painkillers, hairbrush. I mean, it's basically like, usually like I have needle and thread, safety pins, like anything you could possibly need in an emergency, in a show, like, oh dear, my costume is ripped. I can usually fix it real fast.
Well, I used your floss the other day.
Yep.
So I appreciated that.
Yep.
So thank you.
Because you never know what you're gonna need, and I've done enough like theater where I've been coming from other stuff, and it's like you don't necessarily have all the time that you wish that you had before you get to the theater, and then you're not like, oh gosh, I don't have any lotion and I feel terrible, or I have a headache and I have to perform with it. No, I carry Tylenol, Advil, and Aleve.
That is good to know. I really do like this eye makeup remover. Mary Kay?
Yep, my mom used to
It
sell
never burns my eyes. You just shake it up.
Yep.
And you put it on a cotton ball, and it will remove all the like permanent lipsticks and all the eye goo.
It's perfect. I love it.
It surprises me how often people scrub at their face really hard.
Yeah.
And you're like, why are you hurting yourself?
Like, why are you doing
get
this to
something
yourself?
that takes it off. Ooh, nice eyeshadow.
Oh, for that, I have really good makeup remover. It's simple.
You like simple?
Yes, because it's really gentle on the skin.
Do you like the wipes?
I use the wipes.
But
it's really gentle on the
with
skin.
mascara and eyeliner, wipes are good enough sometimes.
Correct.
I really like
lotion on a
cube.
not a Q-tip, on a pad.
Well,
ending on makeup remover made as much sense as any other place in the video. I really appreciate all of your guys' love and support. I've had so much fun both filming and editing this one that I think I want to make it a series. I'm doing hair and makeup for a couple other productions right now, so I think I'm going to take the camera backstage and interview some of those actors. Do you guys think that's a good idea? Yeah? Good. Okay, so what you got to do now is subscribe to my channel, click that bell, which is the notification button, so you don't miss a single video. And please write in the comments if you have any questions or if there's anything in particular you want to learn about. I would love to make a video for you. Thank you. Bye.